pipe cleaner curls, you guys. I'm here for them. Welcome back to the channel. I do upload loc content as well as beauty and lifestyle content. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscription button, hit that bell as well. Today we're doing pipe cleaner curls. I'm going to show you what these things are about. I've been wearing the pipe cleaners as a style for like 2 weeks. I'm going to show you how to put these pipe cleaners in your hair and how to take them out safely. And took these out maybe about 3 days ago. Curls in the back. This is what the pipe cleaners are looking like. They're still bouncy after 3 days, y'all. And I'm feeling it. Took these ones out. So these are freshly taken out. And I did install lock sparkles inside of my locks. So that is the sparkly little beads in my locks. If you're interested in looking at that video on how I installed these lock sparkles, make sure you check that out above as well. I'm also going to show you the styles that I did rock with these pipe cleaner curls. And okay, I'm telling you, lovelies, that was something to say, okay? Something to say. So let's get on into the video. You can shape the pipe cleaners however long. It depends on how long or short your locks are, how thick or thin they are as well. So my locks, different sizes, lengths. I had to use a combination of a lot of different ones. First one, I just bent it in half like this. Bend it in half. Sorry. I just bend it in half and then just twist it all the way down. Twist it all the way down. Make sure it moves there. And again, I wore these as a style. So I did like using the loop, like I put the loop down and wrapped it around itself so the loop wasn't showing. Wrapped it around the loop like that and started just twisting. Only to the top. And then what's about here, I just smashed it down, did a little wrap with loop and stuffed the little tips up in between of the locks so that it doesn't stick me. Then I smashed this loop and then bend it up and then boom, the pipe cleaner's in. And then you can shape it how you want. So right here, so I'm gonna have to double it. And to make it a little longer, I just stretch them out like so. Just so that it's like longer, you know? Then you just have to twist it. And then try this so it can be combined. Make sure you try to get this. So as you can see, it's a lot longer than the first one I put in my hair because we're gonna use, and thicker as well because I doubled it. And we're gonna use this on the thick dreads. So straighten it for sure, however shape you had it, just straighten it back out. Find that little loop and then find the top part of it. Find your little wires that you stuck inside of your lock. Here it is. Now you're gonna just try to unravel it as much as you can without snagging and pulling. Take your time. I was just demonstrating how you take them out. And now for this one, you're being gentle. Always being gentle with your crowns, right? And just unravel it. And make sure you pull it straight. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, everybody loved this style and this look. I wore them all like this, half circle, half moon, it's cute. And I'm really upset I didn't take any pictures.
Nice.
So that was the first look I went with when I first went in. Put little zigzag Z's or whatever in there, and it came super cute. Still in the pipe cleaner looks for sure. And I was really shocked. I just love how versatile it is. You can switch it up. But anywho, 2 weeks later, we're gonna take these things out and see how these curls come out, y'all. These pipe cleaners out, especially this one because this one is just trying to come out right. So, like, So yeah, just twist your hair up and then this one, I'm right there. Okay. We're gonna finish taking these out. I'm gonna spritz up my hair, get it some moisture in there, use some oil up my fingertips so I don't snag or pull. And I did put mousse in my hair before I put the pipe cleaners in, just so that the curls can have a more defined curl. Right, y'all, so I'm not gonna manipulate the curls too much just because I don't want them to fall, and that's why I kept the ones in the front still in. And plus, I think it's cute that they look like a little short curly thing. Pipe cleaners are gonna thin out your locks if you keep using them in every so often. If you want to do it, because for me, I'm definitely doing a style again. Take care. But yeah, don't go overboard with the pipe cleaners in your dread. This curl is definitely cute though, but you can always achieve curls in your locks, like all different types. So keep experimenting with curls. This one was really nice though. I really love, but I do not want to make my locks or super thin. Oil on my scalp. I'm gonna leave those ones still down. Looks like I have a bang. I'm just taking all my curls. Here. All my curls here. And fix it the curls look just like you should know, because the curls are so freaking defined. And they come out of this. Thank you. Yeah, I'm feeling it, y'all. Do it like this, okay, y'all? If you do. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, I went with a different look. I went ahead and put a scarf on just to protect the curls a little bit more, because I really need these curls to last until next week. We're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video, lovelies. We are done with the pipe cleaner takedown. But anywho, thank you so much, you all, for tuning into this video. It really means the world to me. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much again. Make sure you hit this red button down below, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment down below so I can say what's up to all of my lovelies. And until next time, you guys, bye.